Now let's get right into the Intense 5. Carnival in TNT and Skeng and Nicki Minaj were a hit. Mahir says Skeng never too liked the fact that he couldn't smoke on the streets though. But will we see them at JA Road March? I don't know. It just keeps getting worse for R. Kelly. He was sentenced to a further 20 years for child pornography and enticement of minors. But he will serve the sentence simultaneously with the already imposed 30 years he was given. Are Beanie and Bounty at it again? Apparently, the killer ain't happy with the comments Beanie made regarding Vybz Kartel and of course voiced his opinion. So, coming off the heels of a successful halftime show, people are complaining that the show was too sexual. They found her moves and dances too suggestive. Oh well. By the way, happy belated birthday, Riri! And finally holding the spot this week, Nipsey Hussle's murderer gets 60 years behind bars. The Crips gang member was sentenced earlier this week. That's it for the Intense 5.